Every piece I make for a saltwater aquarium starts like this, not with the clay, but with a drawing. I map out the entire structure right here on my workbench. It is not just about making something that looks cool, though that is part of it. I use a ruler because precision is key. This isn't just an ornament, it's a piece of engineering for a living ecosystem. This drawing is the skeleton, the guide for everything that comes next. Once the blueprint is perfect, the real work begins. It's a special kind of pure ceramic clay. At this stage, it is soft and heavy. I start by shaping the main branches, laying them directly over my drawing to get the form exactly right. 再锥形 in 3 dimensions. The first pieces are always the trickiest, setting the foundation for the entire structure. Then comes the long part, building it up piece by piece. I connect the smaller branches, carefully scoring and slipping each joint. I use a brush with some water to create a strong bond. If these connections aren't perfect, the whole thing could fall apart in the kiln or worse, in a client's tank. So I take my time. The design might look random, like a natural branch or coral, but it is all carefully planned. I have to make the branches as thin as I can. It's really important because in a reef tank, you don't want to block the water flow. The corals need that current to bring them food. The base is just as important as the branches. I deliberately design it with only a few small contact points. See, in an aquarium, detritus and fish waste can get trapped under large decorations. Over time, this buildup pollutes the water and can kill corals. It is a common issue we call old tank syndrome. A design like this, with an open base, lets the water flow underneath freely, sweeping everything away and keeping the environment clean. It's a simple solution to a big problem. I spent hours on this, just shaping, refining, and smoothing, using different tools to add texture or clean up the joints. You get into a zone where it is just you and the clay. Someone from the team might come by to check on progress or document procedures, but most of the time I just focus on my work. Every detail matters, because once it is fired, you can't change a thing. It feels like this part of the process goes on forever, just endless adjustments. It is hard to look at this lump of gray, wet mud and imagine the final product. The real magic happens next, in a step you don't see here. This entire structure will go into a kiln and be fired at over 1200 degrees Celsius. That intense heat transformed it completely. The high temperature burned away all impurities, turning the soft clay into hard, completely inert ceramic. It becomes rock solid and perfectly safe for even the most sensitive marine life. And this is the result. All that work, all that patience leads to this. It is pure white and flawless, astonishingly beautiful. Today, it has become a functional work of art. The small support points I planned for the corals are ready. It's just big enough to hold a coral frag, but small enough to let the coral grow out and open up completely, showing its full beauty. This isn't just a decoration anymore. It is a foundation for life, a new haven for coral growth and reproduction. Now, it is ready to welcome the arrival of coral reefs.